Hello all, Starlight's here. I'm just doing a really quick, I know I look a bit of a weirdo, tutorial on how to crimp hair. I don't know if it's a tutorial that people want or if you need, but you're getting it. So I've sectioned my hair to 4 different sections. So I've had 2 at the back and then 2 at the front like that, you see. So I've got the front one just pulled over so it's out of the way. I've got my handy dandy clips that are going to rip my hair out when I put them in, but you know, as it is. Right, oh, I've got me, I'll show you that because it's a bit of a mess. So I've just got my mirror and I've got my crimpers. These are the Babyliss ones, had them for years, don't know where I got them from. Right, let's, hang on, what's going on here? Ooh, renegade hair. Okay, so I'm going to start at the top of this bundle, I think. So I'm going to get heat protection. So I'm going to heat protect it all. Right. And I have got spare hair bands with me, so I can put the hair up. Right, I'll leave that out the way. Right, so I always just give it a brush just so it's flat. So it's just like that, you see, not bunched up. Get said crimpers. It's going to be a bit weird because I'm doing it backwards. And crimp. I leave it for about, I don't know, 10 seconds or so. Oh. Maybe leave it a little bit longer, maybe 15 seconds roughly. Oh yeah, that's better. So yeah, about 15 seconds. I probably won't leave it for 15 on the ends, just because they're a bit thinner. And they don't need quite as much. I was going to curl my hair today, but I can find my curling iron, so I'm not. I'm crimping. Right, so there you go. So that's that bit, and then what I'll do, so I'll just bring it round to the back of my head, hopefully you can see that, and just crimp it up so it's out of the way. Right, see another section, again, brushing it to make it flat. And then give it a bit of a squeeze and move it down. Ugh. See, now I would get my hubby to do it, but he's not here at the minute, so I gotta do it. See, now I would try and fast forward this bit, but I don't know how you film it like that on this phone. So there you go, another section done. So just lift it round just gently. So I'm doing probably about an inch, I guess, maybe. Yeah, it's about an inch. Try not to burn my ear with this one. Ow. Ugh. I pull it round because it's just a little bit easier on my arms. I've got fibromyalgia, and holding my hands above my head or even high for probably more than about a minute or so, I start to get pain and fatigue. which is really great when you're trying to do your hair. Right, so again, pull that round, clip it under. Oh, I missed a bit. Okay, let's just tuck that. Tuck in there, it's out of the way then, isn't it? Right, I'm going to do this one as this size, just because my arms are hurting already. So, I don't think it really matters if you put more or less in. I suppose if you have less, and it doesn't take as long to crimp, maybe. Oh, hang on, missing bits. Let's try that. There we go. Oh, lean on it. So yeah, right, I'm going to do this one. Then I will quickly bring the other bits down that I've crimped, just so you can see. So that's it straight, and that's it crimped. I mean, I've probably missed some bits, but right, I can do the rest of my hair and I'll be back with you. Okay, so I've done half my hair, so that's what it's looking like. I haven't done my fringe yet. Should I do my fringe? Yeah, let's do the fringe. We'll do that now, shall we? Oh, again. Push it so it's flat, even though I always pinch it. Ugh. This probably won't need very long. Only 2, I reckon, or maybe 3. Okay, that was a bit better look. Okay, so next side. Okay, so it's all done, I think. I don't think I've missed anything. Oh, see, my hair is quite thin. As I've got older, it's thinned out loads. So crimping it makes it go quite nice. Hang on, missed a bit of my fringe. There we go. But yeah, so here you go. Here's the oh, itchy nose, and there is the back. You have to tell me in the comments if I've missed anywhere. Okay, I hope you found this useful. It's, you know, it's just trying something different for my YouTube channel. Okay, I'll speak to you all later. Bye.